having fun again. I don't know where I am, but I have to enjoy it. So, oh, yeah, I'm in the wrong spot. I don't have to come here. It's a private place. Sorry. I made mistake.
Turn right onto Blues Point Road.
Okay, this is a nice view. Very beautiful. A beautiful place. Very pushy and classy. Wow. What a place. Very nice. Okay. Have to go down there where the people... Oh, that's the harbor bridge. It's very nice. I would like to buy a house here, but I am not rich. So I just have to come and look. Oh, there's the people there having a cup of coffee. Yeah, I used to live before back that way, but not anymore because I went to Canada. So I have to go somewhere else, and I miss this place. It's a very nice area. Nice, classy, and pushy. This is me.